This is a used 2008 Lexus IS 250. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Coles Parkway Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 13779 Noblewood Plaza, Woodbridge, Virginia 22193.